I can't believe this spring lifted this door.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Very easy.
Oh, what a difference.
I'm going out to do a spring change. Already drank my coffee, but I'm going out to do a spring change. The guy said we were there a few years ago, or a while ago, and he said he loves what we did before. So I diagnosed the problem over the phone. He said the cables were off. I told him to go check the spring, see if it's broke, because he had a single door. If both cables are off, a single door with one spring, when the spring breaks, the cables have no tension, so they come off. So anyway, he had the broken spring. He told me he sees the break in it. So I'm gonna go probably get about $689 for one spring, and then maybe I'll talk him into some door service. Who knows? But going out, they just keep rolling in. Talk at you. Hey there. Sorry about that. I was on a call.
You needed time. Good to see you.
How you doing?
Good to see you. Do you remember putting all this in?
I think I remember coming. I remember this driveway kind of thing.
Yeah,
but
I think you did. At the time, I think what happened was you came to repair something. Then we started talking about it because these were built in 1990. And I think you said, you know what? What if we just put new motors in thing? And I think you did, because I know.
Oh, we did both of them.
Yeah, because that's I think that's your sticker.
Yeah, that's our sticker.
So, and I think at the time, I said, you know what? I got the money. I got the budget.
What is that little eye up there looking at us?
Oh, that's a security for the garage.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I was going to say, because they have them on the openers now. Yeah, and actually you could get them on the wall buttons. They're putting on the keypads, I mean.
Oh, you mean like the Nest things and things like that?
It's a My Cue. See that says My Cue? But now when you push the button, a camera comes down and look at it. It's for people getting deliveries.
That's amazing.
And if your door opens on your phone, it'll text you, and you can look at who's in your garage.
That's pretty amazing.
And
for the technology, amazing.
So
anyway, here we are. If you need it, I might be able to move this up another foot. I'm so sorry.
No. That should be enough.
I'm glad I don't have.
Or do you have another foot?
Maybe a foot.
That way. Oh yeah. You got plenty of room to move up.
Would you like a little bit more room?
Yeah. Okay. Just because the ladder, I won't have to turn it sideways.
Okay. All right, let me do it. Maybe you can help me. Let me know how far I can go.
Okay.
Because I got to go over that pole.
No, I'll stand there and tell you.
Okay. All right.
Want to make sure your cables are good.
Let me start it up. All this is new. From when you did it 8 or 9 years ago. New.
That's good.
I gave you a little.
Yeah, that way I can swing the ladder in there. Okay, so now this door, let me see something. I want to see it, because I wonder what I did here before. I want to see something.
Oh, okay.
See if I've changed the spring on there, because I remember being here.
You did. You repaired, that spring we repaired about 2 or 3 years ago.
Yeah, that's when I went.
Yes.
I probably did the spring
maybe
change.
You didn't do the install, maybe you did the repair.
No, we could have just still did it.
Did you? Okay, all right.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, that sticker looks kind of old. So we probably did the openers, then you called us for the spring.
Yep.
So that's good. Let me see.
I noticed one's brown, one's black. Wow.
No, that's all rust on there.
Oh,
they're oil tempered, so their doors probably are pretty heavy. This spring looks small. It looks like it came from the manufacturer. You probably haven't had a spring change here. But this material is heavy, even though it's fake wood. It's got glue and stuff. When it gets wet, they get heavier. But that spring is like for a light, non-insulated deal door.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, see how that spring looks a little bigger? Well, what you look at is the wire size. See how thin the wire is here? And if you look at the wire size on there, they're thick.
Oh my God, like night and day.
Yeah, they're thicker. So I can't believe this spring lifted this door.
Oh.
It's an 8-high door as well.
Oh, that's very interesting. I never even noticed that. Wow.
Yeah, so that door probably goes up a lot easier than this. If you were to ever lift this one by hand, I bet you would have been really heavy.
I couldn't move it.
Not now, but before it broke.
Have
you ever tried it by hand?
No, I really didn't.
Yeah, it would have probably been really heavy. So I'm gonna measure that one out, and the spring change is gonna be $689 to do it.
$689, and I mean, so just the spring itself then.
To do it, yeah.
Yep. Do we need to do
all that?
No,
every time they go up.
Not do this again for 10 years.
No, it'll last you a long time.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It'll probably be the same as this spring here. I want to measure it though.
What you're going to do then is kind of an upgrade also.
Well, yeah, I'm going to make it so the door is lighter for the opener. I got to get up there and measure in there.
And I've got one a little taller if you need a little taller ladder.
I normally know the doors, but these are like weird doors. They're normally 2 sections across, they're 7 high, and they're not this material. So I normally can tell what a spring is, but this being what it is, and I don't want to go off of this spring, I want to go off of this spring.
I'll let you do your thing.
Okay, that ladder's out of the way. I'm just gonna close it down for a minute, and then I'll open it again.
I'll leave you to it.
All right. Look at this. Walk right in here, and there's the spring. I walk right here, open the door. I'm not even gonna take my tools out. I'm gonna do everything right off my truck. How incredible. See that? Now I get my vice grip here. Walk right back in. See it up there? I'm almost done.
A few moments later.
See the door's opening now? Open and close, easy. 8 feet tall, so I don't want to throw it all the way open. Put this stuff back. I'll leave the ladder out. I can write my receipt on it. Click that back on. Okay, so now we're gonna go down again. Looks like maybe the weight of the door, maybe the belt slipped. I'll have to reset the limit. Oh no, worked that time. Thing sounds good. We put these openers in a few years ago. Man, that door sounds good. So, all done. Took me all of about 12 minutes, and I'll get a check now for $689. Okay, all done. You go ahead and try it.
So now this spring is more appropriate for this heavy door?
It's actually a high cycle spring. It'll last even longer than that one.
Even better than that one.
Yeah, they're bigger, they're fatter. For this height of a door, they should have had a longer spring. When they're shorter and you wind them that many times, especially being 8 high, you gotta wind it a full turn more, that they break earlier than a 7 high door. It lasted a long time though. I mean, it's even bigger than this one, the diameter of it.
No kidding.
Yeah, and those are like when you want, like in an apartment building or something, where tenants are going in and out. Yeah.
More commercial, right?
But they have even bigger ones. So, but they'll last longer. They're longer too. Now you can lift it.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Very easy.
Oh, what a difference.
So it's balanced too. It's not like that other one. That's what I said. I can't imagine the other one lifting this door.
I couldn't move it.
Yeah.
I couldn't move it.
Yeah. So.
I couldn't move it. Wow.
But these were weird doors. They didn't make them like this. These are thinner than normal. This is actually made with the Sunday newspapers and all the newspapers. You used to be able to read the little comics in them.
That is hilarious.
But they would pre-prime them. Look, you can see a little face in there, maybe a little face.
Oh, that's hilarious.
But I actually tried to use it on a side of a building or on a development, and they all warped. And they gave you a 20-year warranty with it when
these are now 35 years old though.
Yeah, but when you bought the door, their selling point was the 20-year warranty. But then they got rid of them when they got sued. But
I'm the developer. Well, let me get your card, my friend.
Okay.
Can we put it back on automatic?
Yeah, just push it. It'll go back on. Got to travel up and catch. So the thing is when you pull that, if you want to use it by hand, you got to pull and then pull towards the opener, and it'll hold it open. And then to release it, you just got to kind of barely pull the rope, and it'll click back. So anyway, this is the check, $689. So there's not many businesses you're going to get in where you get a check that quick. You go out and make almost $700, and they're happy to pay you, shake your hand, talk to you, wonder how you're doing, all that stuff. That's a good feeling. So now, go get something to eat and then wait for the next one to call. So if I get another one like that, it'll be like almost $1,400. And I get paid now. I don't got to wait for my money. I got it right now. So you guys should be doing the same thing. I'm tired of telling you guys to get signed up. You guys just need to get signed up. Quit playing around. You can't get any easier than what I just did. So where are you gonna get a job where you make that easy money that much? The majority of your jobs are super easy. You don't have to do all these things you don't want to do. And people love paying you in this business for some weird reason. They don't mind it. And let's say you get slow, which you never do in the garage door business. I've been doing it 40 years. It's been like this for 40 years. I've been through all earthquakes. I've been through bad economies, good economies, all kinds of stuff. It never changes. People out there that don't even know they're going to be writing me a check. Like tomorrow, next day, people just keep calling me. They could be doing that to you as well, but you got to know what you're doing when you show up. This is what we teach you in the course. So we can give you advice on where to market yourself, where the good areas are. People are going to call you. People that worry about not getting calls, they shouldn't worry about that at all. Once you get in this business, you're going to be approached by a lot of people because there's a big, huge need for this out there. And the good thing about this is there's only a few people that do it. Most of those other companies don't even show up, or they don't answer their phones, or they're too busy, or they push you out a week or whatever. People keep calling around. So when they call you and you could be there, that same day, you have a 2-hour window, they love that. This is an easy business to operate, low overhead. The parts on this business are so inexpensive compared to what you make that that you don't even notice you buying them. So anyway, go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Start learning this business, getting involved with it. It's going to take you a little time before you're a full seasoned journeyman in this business. So if I were you, I'd get started right away. Learn what I know. You'll be making great money too, and you won't have to worry about anything else. Get involved, and I'll get back to you on the next one. Over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.